My journey with the stock market has been an interesting one. It all started in 1991, where I first began investing in myself for long-term holds. I ultimately took out that money to invest in my very successful brick-and-mortar business. Fast forward to 7 years ago, where my goal was to make $100 a day as a day trader, part-time, fast forwarding to last year, where I made my first $100,000 in a day. Stay with me through this video and I'll give you the 5 best lessons that I can impart to you so you can do this journey also, with links to my free Discord, my Instagram, and my X community. That first day trading goal was to make $100 a day, which is approximately $25,000 per year part-time. It would take a strict schedule, a grind, research, and a lot of hard work. I was told the hardest thing you could do was trade the 1 minute time frame, known as scalping. So one of the worst things you could do is tell me I can't do something. So I dove in and I built a system by which I could successfully trade pre-market volume leaders for a very short dance at open. I later then designed a method by which you could find money charts that were finding higher highs and higher lows to make for investable swings. Both of those methodologies I taught at trading conventions in Las Vegas. After 4 years, I was a pretty good trader, but pretty good in my mind just didn't cut it. I wanted a formal education, so I entered the CMT pipeline, the Chartered Market Technician pipeline for education, where admittedly their level 1 exam, only 20% of people can pass. I studied, I did all the coursework, I passed level 1. Of that 20% that passed level 1, admittedly only 40% can pass level 2. I did that. I passed level 2, so I'm at research analyst level. After 4 years of grinding it out and gaining education, I hit my first milestone, and that was a 7-figure account. Remember that $100 a day goal? Well, I had my first $100,000 day in October of 2024. And even better yet, 3 members of my online trading community have become millionaires. One thing I'm not going to do is I'm not going to lie to you. All this success is great, but there's been failures and lessons along the way. I trade leverage products and futures. I've taken big losses, 5-figure losses along with some of those gains. I've had discipline stop loss. I've traded at the wrong time where I've been subject to spread. All these combine as lessons learned as I continue to build a bigger and bigger 7-figure account. And I'm going to help you avoid those pitfalls along the way. As promised in the beginning of this video, here are the 5 things that you need to do to be successful. 1, join a like-minded community where everybody's trying to learn and improve themselves. 2, your first investment needs to be not in the stock market, but in your education. 3, after that education, you need to practice on paper, fake money, not your real money, which leads me to number 4. After proof of concept of your education and your understanding of a successful system, then only then 5 do you go to real money to become successful. Do not go at trading alone. You need a supportive community led by veteran traders and experts like me. Follow me on X, where I drop macro data as well as charts at StudentAlpha1. You can follow me on Instagram at StudentAlpha1, where I go live Monday through Friday Eastern Standard Time at 9 a.m. for 10 minutes, where I'm talking about my trades for the day and I answer your questions. But most importantly, join my Discord community where I trade live on Zoom. I post charts, I interact with my community, and you'll get the best education you can find for trading. Are you ready to level up? Smash that subscribe button for when I drop educational videos here on YouTube. Also in the links, subscribe to my Instagram, my X, and most importantly, that Discord where you're going to find a like-minded community. Remember, all of my content is very informative. It's for educational purposes, and all trading involving real money is your risk and your risk alone.